Hello real estate enthusiast. So in this video I'm going to explain what lead nurturing sequence you can use for your real estate leads to maintain the relationship that you have built. So you already might have a lot of leads in your pipeline, or maybe not too many leads, but you must have some sort of lead list in your pipeline. So for those leads, you cannot just send one by one emails to nurture them and maintain the relationship that you want to build, especially at this day and age where different tools are actually helping us and making our job a lot more easier than what it was before. So that's why I'm showing you a software that we have, our own SG Innovations software, through which you can easily nurture your leads using these automated emails. So I would like to give you some example how we have set up those automated emails. First of all, I would like to show you that buyer purchased property and work anniversary. So what happens when a buyer purchases any property from you? Then they will directly enter into an automation sequence. Like initially they will just receive the first email which will mention that the property description, sold price, and related stuff. And once it is done, it will wait for a year, and then it will send another wishing you a very happy house anniversary, enjoy this special day and the memories that you have created in your beautiful home. So through that it will continue sending them email every single year by just wishing them happy house anniversary, and it will help you to maintain a good relationship with your buyer for future work as well. They might come to you for future real estate buy and sell options. And then there is a greeting, Columbus Day greeting email. So in this way you can also nurture the leads in different greetings, like holidays. In that case this is Columbus Day, and we have created a email template where it mentions a little backstory about Columbus Day and these sort of things. And also there are other workflows which will send automated email on a particular holiday. For example, federal holidays, their Christmas Day greetings, Columbus Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, and Thanksgiving Day. So all those greetings will be sent on that particular day whenever it is scheduled to be celebrated, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. So because it is all automated, and it is going to be sent automatically from using our this SG Innovation software that we have built. We have built the system inside this workflow, and there are also Muslim holidays workflow, Ramadan, Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Fitr. So these are Muslim holiday workflows which can also be used for real estate agents, and you can use these lead nurture workflows to maintain your relationship in a much better way. So yeah, that's it from my side, and this was a short demo of how we have set up an automation system for real estate agents to nurture their leads. So if you have any questions, or you can share in the comment section, and hopefully we will meet again in the next video. Yeah, thank you so much.